everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you some very delicious and amazing chicken chorizo tamales. Homemade, nice and fluffy, that I know you guys are going to love. The holidays are here and I want you to prepare these delicious and amazing tamales made at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have corn husks, paper so that we could cover our tamales. I have here chicken chorizo filling. The chicken chorizo filling, you already have it on my channel. Step by step how to prepare it. How to make this delicious filling for those homemade tamales. I have here the spinach masa. The spinach masa, you already have the complete recipe step by step on my channel. A steamer and water. This is everything we need to prepare these delicious and amazing homemade tamales at home. The holidays are here. Let's surprise our families with this delicious recipe. Tamales made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start first with my corn husk. They are really dry, not pliable at all. And now I'm just adding very hot water and I'm helping myself with the plate so that they sink to the bottom. After 30 minutes of getting hydrated, I'm going to go ahead and rinse them through running water, and I'm going to clean one by one. This part is very important because you could still see the little strips of the hair of the corn. So that's why you need to rinse them very good. And here I have a couple here. I have the paper. I want to show you the filling, the chicken chorizo filling, of course, loaded with onion and with the tomato. And of course, I have the spinach masa. The spinach masa, you already have that video on my channel, step by step. You have the chicken and chorizo filling. Look how creamy the masa is. That's exactly how you want your masa when you're preparing these delicious homemade tamales. It's nothing better like homemade tamales because you decide how much you want to put, how much filling you want in there, and you know exactly how much of anything that you added your family is going to intake. Well, you know something, the corn husks have two sides. One side is very smooth and the other is rough. You're going to add your masa to the side that is very smooth. The reason that you add your masa on that side is so that when they cook completely and you open your tamal, it really just pulls apart from the corn husk. And like I say all the time, be generous with your filling. And this side, it's always on the top. I always try to leave this side on the top because I always make more tamales than we usually eat. You know why? Because it's so hard to make tamales. It's a lot of time consuming. And what I love to do is make the tamales, cook about 2 dozens, and then the rest, I freeze them just like that, uncooked. So whenever I feel like I want to enjoy a delicious homemade tamal, especially of chicken and chorizo, I already know I have some in the freezer and I label them so that I know exactly which ones I want to enjoy. And this is the part I really love making. I like to make a little more than usual and then I just freeze it. And sometimes they last in the freezer for about 4 to 5 months and they still taste amazing. And always add enough filling, because when you start digging into your tamal, you want to make sure that you get a little bit of that filling all the time. And of course, I'm using the paper to wrap them really good so nothing comes out while they are cooking. Well, I'm going to continue with the rest. And here I am completely done. I'm going to start adding them to my pan. Here I have my steamer. I have water on the bottom, and I'm going to start laying my tamales one by one until I am completely done. And like I said, once you have your tamales in here, put a little plastic bag on the top so all the steam stays inside. And of course, once you added the bag, add your kitchen towel. The kitchen towel is going to help with the steam staying inside. You're going to cook your tamales for about 60 minutes. Once you start cooking them, do not open it. Leave it just like that for 60 minutes. And when you open it, it's because they are completely cooked. Cook them in medium-high heat and do not open them for 60 minutes. Don't worry, they're not going to get burned. They're not going to get stuck. You have enough water in there. 60 minutes have passed, and now I am ready. My home smells amazing. I'm sure that my neighbors know that I am cooking something delicious. And of course, like all the time, I always try and enjoy this delicious tamal with my neighbors. They already know Cooking with Gloria is cooking. That's why it smells amazing. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. When you start opening your tamal, the corn husk really just pulls apart from that tamal. That's how you know that tamal is ready. Look at this. Look at this. It's not even sticking, and it's perfectly. This masa comes out so delicious. Please give it a try. I know you guys are going to love it. Spinach masa made at home. Look at this. Look how delicious and how perfect this tamal is. And like I say, it pulls apart from the corn husk. Now let me show you when I start slicing it. Look, the dough is so soft. It smells amazing. My mouth is watering, and to tell you the truth, I don't want to continue. I just want to start by eating this. And I'm sure you guys are going to love this tamal. I'll see you in a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing chicken chorizo tamal. Spinach masa. You know something? This tamal is so soft, so tender. It's just amazing. Perfection made at home. But this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I can't wait to enjoy. I hope you guys give it a try and make it at home with your families. Excuse me. Just amazing. And of course, I was very generous with my filling. I know, my friends, once you make it at home, you are going to continue making this chicken chorizo tamal. And with the masa, spinach masa, it just came out perfected. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Happy holidays. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.